Yo, what is going on, YouTube? It's your favorite kid gamer on Madden Mobile 2K NFL Madden 15 Gamer King, bringing you another video. Let's go. We're gonna do a pack opening today. 1,000 coins. Hoping get some good. We got a lot of coins. Yeah. So yeah, let's get started. Let's get started now. Ooh, new packs. Okay, let's get started. Okay, what? I can't buy packs. I thought it was 750. I was trying to do a straight pack on it. Don't overdo about 2 packs. Oh, that's 75,000. 7,500. Oh. Well, I can't do pack opening anymore, guys. So, yeah. Okay, let's get this done. I'll cut all that little joking crap. 110k pack opening. Let's get started. Or maybe less. Let's see. Clinton Dix. Please go buy him. I put it as cheap as possible. The cheapest has all of them. And I just got, actually, I had 1 pack and got it. I got that Callis Campbell. The team of the year. 1 pack. Only had 1 pack. I was like freaking mad. EA was not giving me good packs. Now they finally give me good packs. So I'm doing some packs right now. Let's get started. Oh shoot! Team Carter Jamal Charles. Let's go. I saw one of these sets, but we got one. I didn't know we could get out of the pack. So let's go. This is really gonna help. We get them players. Let's go. So if I go down to a 50k, and this is what I'm doing now. I'm really not going to be doing nothing. I don't care. I'm not gonna do 1 pack for the stream. I'm not gonna do 1 pack for the viewers, bro. Like that. But hey, Team Carter AJ Green. Let's go. Update team. My team was low. But did they change it? No. Oh, or 2 Pro Bowl collecting. Okay. We got 2 sets. Let's see how many we'll put in the set. Let's see how much we can get. Please, I want an elite. Team of the year elite would be great. I get another Callis Campbell. I'll be happy. Oh, I didn't get nothing there. Wait, pack 5. No. Well, everything's ready to go update my team just because it's not that good now. 80k, that means we got. Okay. JJ Watt, 80 yard, pick 6. Okay. I don't know if I put that in the set. Maybe I'll sell it. How much I think going for the auction block series that coming? I don't know if it's already posted. I don't remember. Hey, let's go. Look, Garrett get Blount. Let's get it. Our elite is right here. Let's go. I just was trying to snipe, but and then this dude came up. I don't know, this dude good? If he can go for at least some K. I don't know how many packs we opened so far, but before we even go back to the packs, we're gonna be checking this dude out. Even though we did need some better running game for this, but see how much this dude's going for. Some better running game for our team. Let's see. Now, 92 overall, elite. Okay, 20k. Okay, he ain't going for nothing. 30k. Nonsense. This dude's going for nonsense. This dude's horrible. This dude's cheeks. He don't got good stats. He ain't better than Darius Burrows. He don't got that agility and stuff. Wow, he's bad. I'm gonna put him up for 25. maybe 28K. Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. That was a failure. This dude's horrible. He's a failure in life. I'm gonna make this team, yeah. I'm at 28K. Oops. I have to put 27,999. We're back to the packs. Lyman. Oh shoot, I forgot all about that. I forgot all about the team new year pack. I think this is one. I probably got something good. I swear I got some. I already got an elite on the first one. I got an elite. Okay. It's all good though. Let's see. Okay, William Hayes over 8. We pulled an elite, man. I don't want to go one more. You just gotta go one more. One more, bro. You just gotta go one more, and you get some good. I believe in that saying. Never mind. Let me get an update team. How you know it was that bad? My team's really not even that good. How you know it was that bad? So yeah, guys. Until next time. Yeah, thanks for watching. We did get an elite, but it wasn't a good one. It was okay, but oh yeah. These should come out. Before we ran the video, I forgot to put the JJ Watt stuff. Let's put there we go. Here. 20K, 11K, 10K, 5K. I don't know, guys. Maybe we do have a part 2 to the pack opening. Oh, for things cheats. If you don't go for anything, you probably might as well just keep them. I'll do the auction box series and then do the pack opening too. So guys, yeah, till next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to tell your friend about my channel. Don't forget to yeah, check my Twitch channel and Commerce98. Don't know what Twitch is? Just go to one of my 2K videos and then the link will be right there and you can just click there. If you don't know what Twitch is, well, and if you do or don't, that's where you go. And if you don't, well, and then you can find out there. Go ahead, look it up on Google or Wiki or something that was Twitch. What is Twitch? And there. Let's get 50 subscribers. And let's get about 10 views in this video. Peace.